Hi, good morning. Ross Mkts from Australian Investment Research Services. Thanks for joining us and hope you're having a good day. It's just coming up to 10 o'clock Sydney time on Friday, June 11th. Australian stock market's about to open. We've had a pretty interesting week. Again, markets on Tuesday were at crucial levels: 1,040 on the S&P 500, 4,300 on the SPY 200, and 80.50 on the Australian dollar. Markets have been able to sustain these lows and bounce up again as per last week, and we're now in our third week of stabilising after the May 21st capitulation that saw the SPY 200 and the ASX 200 get down to 41.75 10-month lows. Big point of this, or the big turning point, was on Wednesday afternoon when the Chinese leaked their export numbers for May, and they came out yesterday officially and confirmed that demand is still pretty strong globally, which is what we've been saying for the last 2 months. The data in Asia has been very strong. Korea, India, Brazil, and so forth, all been very strong on the export side and demonstrating that demand at this point hasn't imploded on the European crisis, but obviously something that we're going to have to keep watching. So on the day, with the S&P 500 rallying nearly 3% above that pivotal 1,080 area, we expect to see more buying today, but we're going to hit some very crucial levels, 3-week highs, 45.50 on the SPY 200 and 85.50 on the Australian dollar is crucial over the next 12 hours of trading. We're about to run into another wave of data with all the major Chinese numbers released around 12 o'clock Australian time in about 2 hours' time. We know CPI has been leaked at 3.1%. That's just above the government target at 3%, and there's the ongoing balance between the rate of the currency and property markets are still going to come forward on the back of that inflation number. We also know that the industrial production and fixed asset investment numbers will be a little bit lower than expected. They've leaked that as well, which is pretty standard for the Chinese. And then tonight we've got the crucial US retail sales numbers. We need that to sort of show that consumer demand hasn't fallen away too much in the US in May. The employment numbers and the census workers suggest that it might be okay, but the market's only looking for a pretty modest 0.1% rise. And they're also releasing University of Michigan consumer confidence, which is expected to rise a little bit like the Conference Board numbers did in late May. So big day ahead, markets at crucial levels. The reverse of Tuesday, where they were at major supports, now we're into major resistance areas, 3 weeks highs. We're looking for the market to potentially crack higher, but it's going to need some more momentum from the data, and particularly the US retail sales numbers tonight. So thanks for your time, and we'll speak tonight.